Hey there, I'm author Sarah A. Chrisman, and today I'm making bleeding heart salad. This is a Victorian recipe from 1897. The original 19th century recipe for bleeding heart salad, which was published in the Cultivator and Country Gentleman in 1897, reads, Bleeding heart salad. Mix 1 large cupful of canned lobster with an equal quantity of white celery stalks cut in half-inch lengths. To 1 beaten egg yolk, add 1 teaspoonful French mustard, a saltspoonful salt, a dash of cayenne, a gill of cream, and 3 tablespoons of sharp vinegar. Beat well and pour over the salad. Garnish with celery tops. Now, the recipe called for 1 gill of cream, which, properly speaking, is a quarter of a pint or about half a cup. At this point, I have added a quarter cup of cream to this, and if I add much more, I think I'm going to wind up with something that's closer to a soup than to a salad. So I'm just going to stop at the quarter cup of cream and call it good. There we go. Definitely didn't need more than a quarter cup of cream. That would have absolutely been soup. So, I am going to serve this over a bed of beets to keep up the bleeding heart theme of the title of the recipe. I found this in an article about Valentine's Day tea parties, and I recently reread Wuthering Heights, so I thought that for reading or rereading Wuthering Heights, it was a good choice. And to go with it, I've got my bread cut in little heart shapes, and that'll be fun. So, we'll be doing a book talk on Wuthering Heights pretty soon, so preview of coming attractions. But there we go. Actually, have to garnish with the celery tops. There we go. Ta-da! There we go. Ta-da! Thank you for watching today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a nice thumbs up and remember to tell your friends about my books. Happy reading!